Hello, welcome to Artzone. Today we will learn pixel duck drawing. You will need a square line paper, black, yellow and orange sketch pen. We will mark the box with X sign. In the middle of the page, start marking with me 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares. Now cross them. Wonderful. In the next row, mark 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares and cross them back. Mark 1 square on left and 1 on right. In the next row, add 1 square marking. Now take a black sketch pen and mark 1 square as shown here. Let's mark with yellow again. 1, 2, 3. Now cross them back. Add 1 more square here. In the next row, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cross them back. Excellent. Now take orange color and mark as shown here. Take yellow color and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares. Cross them back. In the next row, I want to skip 1 square, so I will keep a small thing here and mark ahead 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cross it back. Observe in the next row and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Now cross it back. Good job. Now observe and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and cross them back. In the next row, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cross them back. Cross the square here and add 2 squares as shown. One, 2, 3, 4. Now cross it back. Cross the square here and add 2 squares. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 squares. Cross them back. Skip 1 square and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 squares and cross them back. Add 1 square on the top row. Skip 1 square and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Cross them back. Very good. Skip 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Cross them back. In this way, your pixel duck is marked. Take the orange plastic crayons and color the orange squares. Color 1 square at a time. Color black color for eye. Now color yellow for the body. Be careful while coloring. Don't go out of the cross box. The importance of this form of drawing is mentioned in the description box below. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. In this way, you have completed the picture. Don't forget to watch our next video. Thank you for watching.